What's up you guys, today I will show you how you can password protect any file. Just follow these steps. First I will create a new folder, and in that folder I will insert some random text, notepad document, and then I will password protect this folder. Go to the add to archive, and then you need to set password. I will give some random numbers, and that's that, and you just hit OK. After that we can delete this one, and when we try to open this it will ask for the password, and when you insert password it will open. Without password you cannot open it. That's that. Thanks for watching. Like even if you don't like it.